AUDUSD analysis today. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video, we'll talk about Australian dollar against the US dollar. So before we start the video, if you're new to the channel, then make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification. And below the video, you can check out these links. You can join free Telegram if you want some free signals, check out the brokers and everything. So coming back to the chart here, starting the top-down approach with the weekly time frame. Weekly, if when I record Sunday videos, you have to do a refresh of the memory and go and watch my previous Sunday videos first, okay? The reason for that is because last Sunday we were on this candle which was red and it had a rejection. So last week in my AUDUSD video, I must have said that this is the rejection. That means we're going to go up coming week, which started last Monday. Okay. So if you have listened to me last week on Sunday in AUDUSD, I told you that this is a weak rejection from the EMA. That means this coming week on last Sunday, I said coming week, which means the Monday which started 7 days ago. Will be blue, and that's what exactly happened. So if you entered here, so last Monday when the market opened, if you went long, if you entered here, you made this kind of profits. Okay, it's a small profit for 5 days, but still it's a profit. Okay, so this is your clear, very very clear trade. Close your eyes, rejection, enter here and book your profits. Simple. Okay, now this week we have ended blue, and this blue has eaten this previous high, which means this is the continuation of the uptrend. Coming back to daily chart, in daily we have broken above the EMA already. This high is not broken yet, but I think we are looking for longs only, okay? Because this was your last downtrend, but this is not your pullback because we are 95% towards the up. So this is the start of a new uptrend. Pullback will happen and then will continue going up. What is our entry in 4 hour? It's quite clear. We are in the uptrend in 4 hour. Wait for the pullback until the EMA. Okay, price will come down until the EMA. Write it down. Okay, the price at the EMA right now is 0.64995. Okay, so wait for the price to retest the EMA. It will come down all the way until the EMA bare minimum, and then after that you will have the blue candle. That's where you will take your position or make your long entry. Got it? Quite simple actually. Look for longs when the price rejects the EMA in 4 hour. That's it. And then you can take your 30 pips profit in AUDUSD. Same goes for nzdusd. I don't record separate videos for nzdusd, so you can go ahead and apply this in nzdusd if you want to trade that here as well. So if you like what you see, let's subscribe, like. I just gave you the free money. Okay, subscribe, like, join Telegram, check out these links. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care.